How to install Java and Visual Studio Code. So first you will need to download and install Visual Studio Code if you don't have it already. And then you will need to open up your CMD by right clicking on Start button, open up CMD or PowerShell or Terminal, then type Java space dash dash or hyphen version. And if you see an unrecognized command similar to this, that means Java is not installed. So you will need to open up your browser and then head to code.visualstudio.com and then click on Docs on the top menu. Now on the left side, you want to scroll down and click on Java and then click on Getting Started. And then you will need to click on Install the coding pack for Java for Windows, since I'm running Windows. And then this should start a download, so you should download and install the pack. Now, once you run the installer, it's pretty easy. Just accept the terms and then press next and then click on install and wait for it to download and install the Java GDK. And once it's done, you can basically click on finish to launch Visual Studio again. And if you open up your CMD or PowerShell and then type Java space dash dash version, you should be able to see the current Java version. And then you want to click on the Explorer menu and you should be able to see the button that says Create Java Project. So you can click on it and then click on No Build Tools. Basically select the path where you want to have your Java project saved. Click on Select the Project Solution. Then you will need to type a project name. So for example, Project 1. Press Enter and this should create a Java project, as you can see right here with the folder structure. And from here you can basically expand the src or the source file, and then you can basically edit this code or add new C or Java files by clicking New File and adding your classes or whatever you want to create. You should also find the option to create new Java file, class, interface, enum, record, annotation, abstract class. And then just input the class name on the top, press enter and it should create your class. Now to run or compile your code, you want to click on this play button right here to run Java, and this should basically run your code and output anything, as you can see here, which is simply outputting hello world. One last thing is to also make sure that you add the Java to the variable path. So if you want to add it, you should click on environment, click on the start button and then search for environment variables, which is this one right here, edit the system environment variables. Click on it and then you want to click on environment variables button. So under system variables, you want to create a new entry, call it Java underscore home like this, and then basically paste the path to Java. And as you can see right here, it's the path from the pack we installed from Microsoft Visual Code or Visual Studio Code. And you can also browse to the file and it should be under Program Files, Eclipse, GDK, Hotspot, and then select this path. You can modify this entry if it already exists in your computer. And then you should hit OK and then OK again and restart Visual Studio Code. And you're pretty much set up right now. That's pretty much it for this video. Thanks for watching and subscribe.